RWC, through our SharkBite, HoldRite, Cash Acme, and Streamlabs brands, manufactures a full range of solutions for water heater installations. Our HoldRite quick stand water heater platforms safely elevate water heaters above the floor while supporting water heaters up to 100 gallons and meeting code requirements. HoldRite also offers the Quick Pan to ensure a safe and worry-free installation for years to come. Not all locations require water heater restraints, but for those with seismic requirements, we've got you covered with the most tested and trusted restraints on the market. HoldRite Quick Strap water heater restraints not only meet, but exceed seismic code requirements. SharkBite push-to-connect fittings allow you to work in tight spaces and connect to virtually any combination of pipe materials and sizes. All you need are proper pipe cutters, and you're ready to connect. If you have a big family or maybe just a couple of kids, you fully understand how quickly the hot water gets used up. Tank Booster is an easy-to-install water heater accessory that mixes hot stored water with the cold supply water to boost the amount of hot water, without sacrificing space or the cost of a larger water heater. RWC provides the highest quality products from meter to fixture, so from the time water enters a structure, we've got you covered. Our ball valve connects easily with SharkBite push-to-connect fittings and can be installed in both dry and wet water lines. In the time a traditional ball valve would take to replace, you can also swap out an old leaking PRV with integrated SharkBite push-to-connect ends. So while competitors are still waiting for pipes to dry, you're off to your next job making the home smarter with the Streamlabs Control Valve. The Streamlabs Control is a water monitoring and leak detection system that provides real-time water consumption and leak alerts, plus the ability to remotely shut off your water through the Streamlabs app. Smart alerts will learn your usage habits to help determine normal versus abnormal scenarios for your home. And with SharkBite push-to-connect fittings, the Streamlabs Control is quick and easy to install. If water heater pipes don't line up while replacing or renovating plumbing components, RWC has you covered with SharkBite flexible water heater connector hoses to connect existing hard lines without making unnecessary joints. These are available in corrugated and braided hoses. While keeping safety and efficiency at top of mind, RWC also supplies HoldRite's Quick Strap expansion tank brackets that you can use to secure an expansion tank. These ensure the load of the tank doesn't affect the integrity of the pipes or fittings. HoldRite's Stout bracket ensures a strong and secure stub out with one of the most versatile brackets on the market. With a galvanized steel telescoping design, it can be used between studs, surface mounted, hung overhead, and basically any configuration you can think of. RWC promises to provide the very best in products from one source for a complete suite of water heater solutions.